All right, welcome to CT vacuuming. You never know what is going to happen. There's the carpet I got to vacuum. There's the dog that makes the mess. There's the couch that he destroyed that I have to get rid of. See that? Don't get a Doberman. Leave a Doberman alone for a few minutes. That's what happens to your couch. Yeah, you. Thanks a lot. That's where I work when I'm home. I gotta put the fence around it so he doesn't jump on me. Yeah, you're ridiculous. All right, back to the vacuum. There's the vacuum. There's the outlet where I gotta plug the vacuum cord into. I don't know, looks kind of dangerous. I might get electrocuted. Oh boy. I just swept out the kitchen. And it's shiny because I mopped too. It's another video. So now I got extra junk here to vacuum up. Alright, I don't know. Should I plug it in? Might get electrocuted. If I do, someone call 911. Appreciate it. He's not going to like it when I turn the vacuum on. Huh? What do you think? Should I turn it on? You going to run for the hills? The evil vacuum. It's a weapon of mass destruction. Alright. Oh, man. I gotta bend down. Oh, it's tough. Whew. Tough life I got over here. Alright, let's see. Putting this in the right way? Oh, I hate when that happens. Oh, never ends. Alright, here we go. Oh, God, no! Oh, just kidding. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's try to turn this thing on. Oh, I gotta pick the cord up so I don't run it over. Oh, God. Here we go. Alright. Let's see. Here we go. Vacuuming. What's gonna happen? I don't know. Anything can happen. Oh, jeez! There he goes. Working. All right. Oh, not the damn cord again. Oh, God. Oh. Hard doing this with one hand. Over here, can't miss any spots, or else the vacuuming's a failure. I need a nap. That was tough. I think it worked, though. Look at that. Clean carpet. Yeah. Thanks to you, you son of a bitch. All right. See you next time.